Hi, my name is Ella, and I am so excited to welcome you to the Ultimate Brownie Showdown. We all know already that scientifically a brownie a day keeps the frownies away, and I for one am not going to argue with science. But yeah, between you and me, I'm just really craving a brownie today, and I'm too lazy to put real people pants on and go get one, so here we are. Let's meet our mighty contenders.
Let's get ready to rumble!
First up, we have a long-time fave, a classic, if you will, the standard, the easy Ghirardelli box mix brownie. Believe it or not, historically, this has been my go-to brownie, and as far as box mixes go, she's top tier. Bravely taking on the challenge, our box mix brownie annihilator. Very own laboriously and lovingly made velvet chocolate brownie. I have both of the brownies in the ovens right now, each in an 8x8 square pan. Now for the process of making them. Obviously, Ghirardelli gets mad points for being stupid easy. You just need a little water, an egg, some oil, bing bang boom, brownie. Kind of great. Our signature brownies, on the other hand, not hard per se. In fact, especially easy if you have all of the ingredients on hand, which if you're a human being owning a kitchen, you mostly do. Flour, eggs, cocoa, butter. The three things that distinguish our brownies are sweetened condensed milk, cornstarch, and Calabo Belgian chocolate chips. These are the things that take our brownies from merely scrumptious to life-changing. Oh yeah, I went there. The Ghirardelli brownies go into the oven at 325 for 40 minutes. Our brownies go into the oven at 350 for 40 minutes. And I've got mere moments left until they are both done at the ready. And I wish you could smell the smells that I'm smelling right now. This is probably what heaven smells like. I'm doing all right. They're all so excited for me to eat these brownies. So we finally come to the moment, the showdown time between the made from, well, can you tell the difference? Do you know whomst is whomst, which is which? I feel like maybe you should be able to tell, but if not, I'll enlighten you. This here is our box mix baby, the Ghirardelli. And this is our velvet Belgian chocolate brownie. First, some initial differences that are very easy to see. Let me get a good piece, make it a fair fight. Remember when I said before with just the brownie scents emanating from the oven and into my nostrils that was heaven? Well, I lied. I'm pretty sure this is heaven. Getting to eat them. We'll go with the Ghirardelli first. Let me just see what I see. So the Ghirardelli is a cakey brownie. I probably wouldn't use the word fudgy, but it has a great chocolate flavor, kind of exactly what you'd expect in a brownie, especially if you're going for a cake brownie. Delightful. Let's try this one now.
Oh, she's chunky. She's thick. I like that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just try to explain this crazy thing that happens when you bite into this brownie. So in your first nibble, you're thinking, oh, a cake brownie. Sure. However, then you chew and it melts. It literally truly melts. That cornstarch is velvet. I don't know what magic, real science is taking place there, but it tastes like sweet chocolatey velvet. It literally is melting on my tongue. Folding in the Belgian chocolate chips right at the end before you melt them or anything, on top of the ganache made with the sweetened condensed milk. Oh my goodness. An unparalleled experience. I wish I could ensure that you're seeing. It is like fudge right on the inside, but it's surrounded by cake. And it's so delicious. And honestly, I know that taste is subjective. I know that these are objectively good, but I'm telling you, when it comes to these brownies and when it comes to Callebaut Belgian chocolate, there just really isn't a comparison. It's not a fair fight. These win. In case that wasn't obvious from the get-go. But I'm serious, I'm honest, I'm telling you from the heart that this recipe, it's so good. It is available in our Michelangelo of Cakes Academy, along with a plethora of many other recipes and designs, if that's what you're into as well, and lots of tutorials. And we have a really awesome growing community of people who just love baking, love what they do, and are super fun and nice to each other. And we want you to be there too. So if you're interested in checking that out, please do. It'll be linked somewhere, easy to find. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, because let me tell you, I'm having the best day. I hope you have a great day also, and I'll see you soon. Bye.